What do grills, barbecue smokers, refrigerators, and ovens all have in common? The ability to integrate motion control hinges, of course. Hi, I'm Mike from Knapp, and today I'd like to tell you a bit about counterbalance and motion control engineering for outdoor cooking and kitchen applications. Adding a motion control hinge to your grill or smoker can really make a difference if you have your hands full or lid is heavy. See? Where can I buy a set of hinges like that, you ask? Well, all of our motion control hinges are custom made so that they better suit your application. We can adjust the material, the life cycle, and the coating to match your specific needs. Our hinges are even resistant to extreme temperatures, great for both hot and cold applications. Whether it's designing a hinge for a heavy grill lid or manufacturing a counterbalance system for a deep freezer, Knapp can do it. At Knapp, we specialize in unconventional and welcome a challenge. Contact us, give us a challenge, and see how motion control engineering can help your product stand out.